How to recover deleted videos from Telegram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted videos from Telegram. Received Telegram photos and videos will be saved on your memory card automatically. Therefore, you can first go to the Save File folder to check whether the lost photos or videos can be found. For Android users, find the file folder on your device and choose Internal Storage or other similar options. Then head to Telegram and select Telegram Images to look through the saved pictures and videos. If any wanted files are found, tick them and choose Share, Move, Copy, or other operations to restore the lost files. For iOS users, open the Photo application and shift to the Albums tab. Now scroll down to find the Telegram folder. Browse this folder to find the wanted photos. For Android users, another option to complete Telegram deleted video recovery and photo recovery is using the Cache folder. Here, open File Manager and find SD card, external storage, or other similar options. Next, navigate to Android, reach Data, select org.telegram.messenger and Cache. There will be numerous cache files in this folder. Open and check those files to get the demand files. The last option is to try data recovery software like Minitool Power Data Recovery. You can get the free edition to have a try and recover 1 GB of files for free when any wanted files are found. You need to connect the SD card of your mobile phone to the computer and then launch the software. When the scan process is completed, you can use the filter, type, search, and preview features to locate the required files. Take the wanted files and click Save to restore missing photos or videos. Do not save files to the SD card to avoid data overwriting. If you don't have a card reader or want to recover lost photos from your Android or iPhone, you can choose the Minitool Mobile Recovery for Android or Minitool Mobile Recovery for iOS. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.